French coach Fernando de Cruz has agreed to become a new coach of Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if that's a good news or a bad news or just an exciting news, but I'm sure of this one. These are the bad news. Kaizer Chiefs development. Eden McCarthy is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs in this transfer window, and he's set to leave South Africa by tomorrow. That's sad. But okay, guys, if you want more information about this new coach and then the departure of Aiden McCarthy, make sure you stay tuned to the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below. I say, let's get straight into it.
Talk about a man on fire. Protect it. Be there, Paul.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from a great town. And namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa bhe from the box. So make sure that you subscribe and like the video and comment down below what do you think ngalezi ndaba nginiphathele zona bafethu. I have good news, exciting news, and then bad and sad news at the same time. I'm speaking about two people. Firstly, I'll talk about the new coach of Kaizer Chiefs. So this is the post that came out from Mickey Jr. Today, early in the morning. He posted that Fernando de Cruz, the French coach, has agreed to sign a new deal with Kaizer Chiefs to be a new head coach for Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, Fernando de Cruz came last season to be the assistant coach of Nabi, but then there was an issue of the Moroccan what team, but he's back to be a head coach. Let's get it clear. So the story goes like this by Mickey June. A French coach, Fernando de Cruz, has agreed to become the new head coach of Kaizer Chiefs. A 2-year contract has been signed with an option to extend for a further season. The former Lille, OS and ASFA boss will arrive with 4 members of his coaching staff, while 2 or 3 South African coaches are also expected to join his team. A new era begins at Chiefs. There's a good thing about the story, and there's also not so good thing about it, because the good thing first is that he has been coaching good teams in France like Lille, and also he also coached ASFA. So this is a good thing that we know that his experience. I'm not sure. I haven't seen him coaching. I'm not sure of what he's capable of, but for the experience, I think that is okay. The bad thing about another good thing is that he will be he will come with his coaching staff, of course, but other 2 or 3 South Africans will be joining. I think that will help our players to understand his language, his football, to understand him. And yeah, I think the first guy that came into my mind when they say other 2 or 3 South African coaches will be joining is Dylan Shepard. This was the guy who came into my mind when they say that. The bad thing about this is that he only so far, of what I know, he coached 2 big teams, Lille and ASFA. I don't think he's been in in the Champions League final, or does he have trophies? But I am glad that now we have a coach early, so that's when the preseason starts, he can start with the players. So Bafetu, That's all about our new coach. You can tell me, what do you think about the appointment of the French coach Fernando de Cruz to a 2-year deal and a 1-year option to extend? They said news, but first, okay, the said news they just broke. Yeah, I think it's been 1 hour or so, or maybe 45 minutes ago. Uh, Let me check the story. Umfana Makhadi is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs, Bafethu, to join a team. I don't know. I don't even know the team, but he's set to leave Kaizer Chiefs. Uh, to defend our youngster. I am so sad. So sad, so sad. Oh, this is a story. Kaizer Chiefs defender Aiden McCart is set to leave the club for Sabah FK in Azerbaijan. I don't even know the country, but he's going there. This club won the league and qualified for UCL first round. He departs this evening. 3+1 contracts agreed. So, Bafethu, Eden Markat is gone. I think Thabo Moloisane was his replacement, but I'm sad he has to be the one going. I thought maybe Ubalo Kaido Umiguel will be going, but no. Instead, Eden Markat will be going. I am sad that he's going. I am really sad. I really like the player. He was becoming one of our best defenders. But let's hope that Rashun Dotley will be fit before the season starts, so he can play. He can cover the space of Eden Makat. I am so sad that he's going. But guys, I have some more news. Tomorrow I'll be announcing the other players that might be signed by Kaizer Chiefs, the rumors of those players. So make sure you subscribe to the channel khona ngingazokuphuthela iy'ndaba. Make sure you like the video, click the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification of my videos. I think that's all, bafethu. So ngiyayivala. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.